Hello and welcome. This is Safa. In this video, we'll explore morphological operations, powerful tools to process shapes in binary images. Morphological operations help us analyze object shape. Erosion removes pixels from boundaries while dilations add pixels to them. Structuring elements are the heart of morphology. They define how far erosion or dilation will reach. Okay, now let's move to MATLAB and apply this operation to a simple binary image. Okay, first clear, CLC and close up. Read and preparing image and display original image. Define structuring elements, erosion, dilation, and opening and closing. And finally display all results. Okay, let's run the code and observe each transformation step. Okay, original binary image, and you can clearly see how erosion removes small details and dilation makes the shapes thicker, and opening and closing are combinations used for cleaning up noisy binary image. Okay, we've seen how morphological operation modify image shape. Okay, summary and thanks for watching.